Obesity is a medical condition, but however, it is affecting the economy of India, and how this happens is a very important thing that we must understand. So this video is about a case study to understand the rising problems of obesity in India, how the urban India is facing more obesity than the rural India. The women are facing higher obesity rates as compared to men, and all this has to be taken into account if we really want to capitalize our demographic dividend. We say India is a land of largest youth, but if the youth is not fit to work, then the economic development and prosperity would be hampered. So if the health of the youth improves, definitely the economic growth would increase. Now, rising obesity is directly proportional to unhealthy lifestyles, and it's mainly related to screen time addictions, related to unhealthy food habits, and the percentage of the obesity in the age bracket of 18 to 69 years has again increased from around 18% to 22.9, which is approximately 23%. For women, it has increased from 24 to 26%, which is further higher. Now, this is one of the reports that has been published by Economic Survey, and here you can see a higher proportion of obesity in urban India as compared to the rural India. And as of course we said, ultra processed food, high fatty food, unhealthy junk food are some of the major reasons, along with sedentary lifestyle. In the children, the highest obesity is seen in Vietnam, Cambodia, followed by India. So India is not behind, and the rate of obesity in the adults have tripled over the time period. So 70% of the urban population is overweight. Now, if we talk about the prevalence, back around 30 years back, it was just 1.2% for women, which has increased to 10%. For men it was 0.5, which has increased to 5%. And overall obesity, as we have seen, has been one of the reasons for cardiovascular diseases, liver cirrhosis, diseases related to strokes, heart problems. Then you have cancer as another disease. So there has been a campaign which is known as Know Your Number. Now, Know Your Number is nothing but a basic message to make the young generation aware about the health, so that they maintain a body weight, they maintain proper blood pressure, blood sugar levels, and other important health parameters. If the BMI increases from 25, then they are at a risk of health problems. If the BMI goes beyond 30, that indicates a clear obesity level. So identifying the obesity level and its impact on the non-communicable diseases with rising blood sugar, rising hypertension, rising cardiovascular problems, this has to be taken into consideration. And for the young generation, it is believed that right knowledge should be dissipated, specifically within the age brackets of 10 to 12 years, and curated misinformation should be avoided by any means. This approach would ensure that the young generation comes up with a right health, and this would ultimately affect the economy. So again, a very important case study from your GS perspective. Another such interesting case studies will cover in the next sections. Stay tuned.